families. So we have practiced our alphabet. We have reviewed our letters A through Z, and so normally we use our Alpha Friend cards. Now we're going to transition to the cards that just have the letter on them. So we're going to go through these pretty quick. Remember to do the actions. So the G says G, 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 G. The B says B, 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 B. The C says K, 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 K. The M says And you rub your belly. The E says E, 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 E. The D says D, 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 D. The W says W, 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 W. The Y says Ya, 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 Ya. The T says T, 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 T. The N says N, 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 N. The U says The J says J, 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 and you jump for J. The I says I, 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 I. The V says The X says X, 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 X. The F says The K says because you're kicking. The L says ol. The S says s, 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 s. The Z says z, 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 z. The A says ah. The O says ah. The P says p. The Q says qua. The R says The H says